Namaste. Welcome to this channel. I hope everyone is good. My name is Rakhi and as I promised you that I will be coming up with my next video on Chakrasana. So here I am today. So let's start. And let me explain you what we are going to practice in this session. So we are going to practice few of the preparatory exercises that are helpful in doing the complete Chakrasana. If you are a beginner for practicing Chakrasana, this video can be really helpful for you. Hope all of you have already watched my previous video that was on Chakrasana and where I was talking about few of your questions. If not, so first go to that video. I am providing the link in the description box below because that video is linked to today's video. Now let's start practicing. Place your mats and sit down in any cross-legged or any comfortable posture. First exercise we are going to practice and focusing on our neck muscles. You can keep your palms on the knees with your back straight. With the exhalation, point your chin towards the chest. Drop the neck down. With inhale, look up or point the chin towards the ceiling. Likewise, go for 9 more counts. Go for simple and slow neck movement. If you go with the breath cues, that will be more beneficial for you. Five more stretches. When you look up, it stretches the front of the neck. When you look down, it stretches the back of your neck. And once you are done, come back to the center, relax for 1 second. For the next movement, with the exhalation, look to your right side. Slowly coming back into the center, then again look to the left side. This is the one movement, complete movement. So likewise, go for 10 more movements. To feel your practice, you can close your eyes. Do not hold your breath anytime. Keep breathing in and out. And once you complete the movement, you can stop in the center. Again, relax for some time. Now we are going to practice neck rotations. I will show you 2 variations of neck rotation. So let's watch the first variation. First, we are going to drop our right ear towards the right shoulder. Dropping the neck down and swipe your chin to the chest. Taking your left ear close to the left shoulder. Similarly, pointing your chin upright, making a big rotation and coming back to the starting point, taking your right ear to the right shoulder. This is the one rotation. Likewise, go for 9 more rotations. So in this variation of neck rotations, we are going to take our ears close to the shoulder. To feel the movement, you can close your eyes and go with the breath flow. Looking up with the breathing in, looking down with the breath out. Throughout the practice, try to keep your spine upright. So once you are done with the one side, let's go for anti-clockwise. In the same way, getting the ears close to the shoulders. Keep it slow with the breath flow. And once you are done, return back to the center position. Now let's move on to the next variation. So this is the second variation of neck rotation. So looking to the right side, taking your chin close to the right shoulder. Then again, swiping your chin to the chest, dropping the neck down. This one is complete movement or complete rotation of the neck. Then taking your chin to the left shoulder, swiping your chin from the left towards the right side. This one is the one circle. Likewise, we are going to practice 9 more rotations. Close your eyes to feel the movement. And the breath cue is the same. When your head is up, inhale. When your head is down, exhale out. After the one side, go for the anti-clockwise rotations. Now after performing few repetitions of neck rotations, you can relax your neck. Let's move on to the another movement, which is of the shoulders. So first watch me and then you can start. First with the inhalation, take your shoulders close to the ears and then take the shoulders forward and drop them down. Similarly at the back side, push the shoulders back, squeeze your shoulder blades, and then lift the shoulders up close to the ears, again forward, and keep rotating for few repetitions. You can go for 5 or 7 repetitions forward. In the same manner, once you are done with the forward counts, go for the opposite rotation. So first take the shoulders forward, up, back and drop. Likewise, go for 5 or 7 repetitions of backward shoulder rotations. Again, don't forget to take the breaths. And once you're done, you can stop and relax your shoulders. Now we are going forward for the next movement. So our next movement is the elbow movement. For the elbow movement, we have very simple practice. Extend your both arms to the shoulder level. And first take your palms to the shoulders. And then with inhale, open your arms out to the shoulder level. Exhale, take your palms to the shoulders. Inhale, open the hands out. Likewise, go for 10 counts or more if you want. Keep breathing. Try to synchronize your breaths as you're moving your hands out and in. And once you are done, you can stop doing the practice and place your palms again to the knees. Now after this movement, let's move on to the next practice, which is for the wrist joints. So for the wrist, we have again very simple exercise for you. Extend your both hands forward and make a fist. First, rotate your wrist outer side. Try to make a big circle. Don't forget to breathe throughout the practice. You can go for 10 counts. Outer side of wrist rotation and then inner side for 10 counts or more if you want. Allow the breath to flow into the whole body. Keep a gentle smile over your face and just feel your practice. And again, once you are done, you can rest your hands down. So these were very simple exercises which were for the upper body limbs or the neck muscles.